All right, let's get into it. No long talk, no long intros. Shipley, another great load board self-booking website, sort of similar to Uship, a video that a lot of you guys have found me on. A lot of you guys like. I did a review on that company as well as covered some routes. So people were doing Uship, pretty profitable. Some say they lowball. Some say it works out for them. But I'm going to show you another website. This one is called Shipley. And this website I actually talked about over a year ago, but got some more information, things of that nature. Actually bidded on some loads, but didn't take them because at the time that I found out I needed to take the load, I wasn't available to take the load anymore. But like I said, a lot of things are moving out of state. A lot of things are in state. Now, if you do go out of state, if you leave your home state, go state to state to move freight, you need your DOT number and your MC number. But you can still sign up for this site and start seeing loads without having your MC and DOT number, okay? You can still sign up for this website to see the loads. But if you do go out of town, you will need your MC and DOT number. All right. All right. Got that out the way. So let's talk about Shipley. Website founded by independent owner. That's not backed by any large companies at this time. It's pretty much peer-to-peer building. What you're doing is just simply bidding, contacting the person. The person has a list of items that he needs moved from point A to point B, and you go in and you bid on that delivery or that route. So say, you had something going from Atlanta down to Savannah. That's about 300 miles, a little less than 300 miles. One person might come in and bid $200. Somebody might come bid under them 190. Somebody might bid, 205 above them. So whoever they select for that winning bid, and then they got the time frame of when it needs to be shipped and all that nature. So let's go ahead and hop into the website, show you guys how to sign up. That's most important, how to get into the website, and then how to start finding some profitable loads that you guys can use. And you can even use this with your car, cargo van, truck, as long as the cargo can fit inside your ride, and you can take it. So a lot of things I see that kind of might be small enough for an SUV. So we'll see all about that on the inside. Let's go. Let's talk about the Shipley website. Shipley.com. Link to this website will be down in the description below. But you see these guys delivering. They got furniture you can deliver, boxes, cars, home goods, vehicle parts, pets, livestock, anything people need, you move it. So it's best to actually, have an LLC, have a business name, makes yourself look more, professional, more presentable, and probably get a better chance of actually winning the bids. But it's not necessary. You can just, make a fictitious name, but you don't have to necessarily have a business file. You see they are international. They got things moving from Bristol, Connecticut to some other place in the UK, London, all the way to Spain. So for my international viewers, this one is for you. You guys can make a little money and some reviews of that nature. But let's talk about what we're here for. Are you a transport company? I am. I'm trying to transport stuff. So let's go ahead to the transport website. And let's go ahead and make this bigger for you guys. Wow. All right. So take me to the US. I was on a UK website. Okay. Let's go to the US one. That's why I was seeing those UK prices. All right. Well, that's good to know, though. And then, yeah, okay, that's from a shipping company. All right. Free to sign up. Are you a shipping company? Yes. Get quotes. all that stuff. Search for shipments. Uses powerful search function. Search county, local routes. Place your quote. So this person needs a Toyota RAV4. So if you have a flatbed, hot shot, looking to move some cars throughout the state, you can see like how the process goes, how much mileage. You see every detail, where it's going, how many hours drive it is, the person that need the item moved, their name. You don't get their phone numbers. Everything is handled throughout the website. I'm not sure if they have a mobile app for this website. I only look at it online, and they send me email alerts. I kind of have a search that anything in a certain radius, they send me all the shipments. So that's how I see everything, but I'm not sure they have an app for this. If you do, if you got experience with Shipley, definitely go ahead and leave me a comment below how you like Shipley. If you ever took a load, if you think it's crap, you think it's bullshit, you don't think it's worth anybody's time, you don't think I should be talking about it, let me know. Drop a comment below. Say, man, this is crap. Do better, K. And just let me know, man. Let's talk about it. All right. So now Shipley does have free sign up for the carriers. Like I said, no sign up fee, no subscriptions. Everything is completely free ski. Fair marketplace. You can see some success stories, help his business grow. Now, what I will be using this for, honestly, especially for your OTR, box truck, cargo van riders, this is a deadhead friend. So especially you get out down in Florida, I hear, a lot of places have a hard time getting good loads out of. These websites will at least get you gas money to get you to a more profitable location. You can kind of, gauge where everything is, so you can bid on the loads going to that specific location. You can bid on the time of day. Sometimes, the person who needs to ship lets you know when the item's going to be ready to ship, but you can go in and negotiate an earlier time frame, a later time frame, if it fits you best. And if you can give them a better price than the next person, they're more willing to work with you and work with your time schedule. So this is kind of my idea of using Shipley. Everybody else has their own, way of doing their business, but this is not really all you need is Shipley and you can run a business and make, 5, 6, 7,000 a month. No, the loads are low paying. So let's kind of get into some of the loads. So let's go ahead and search these shipments. So as you see, I got the whole country selected like this. So you kind of see what's going on. We got Jackson, California, Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, to Tucson, Arizona. A lot of these don't have quotes. A lot of them do. Let's find something that has some quotes and that is small. King bed, end table and chair. So let's see about this. End table and chair. It's coming from Sacramento, California, all the way to Miami. That is a 3,000-mile trip. I can't believe these folk want a chair moved from Sacramento. That's a long way. It must be a really special chair. As you see, two people have bidded 1,700, another person 1,000. That is low ball quotes. Those are low ball quotes. Far less than $1 a mile. Now, you probably can, I'm not sure how big the chair is. I know an end table is not that big. The chair is 28 inches by 32 inches. So it's a small chair. You probably get this in a pretty large SUV. So you don't need a cargo van or box truck. So gas mileage won't be a big issue. But like I said, this is something, you guys are going across the country. You already got some stuff in your car. You leave in North California, going down to Miami, and you can outbid somebody maybe like $800 and it can fit, you know what I mean? That end table can fit what you're already bringing. That's just extra money. That's just a great thing to do, man. This is something you can move in your car, not a cargo van or truck. Let's go back to the search. and really dig in and show you guys how to use these self-bidding apps. This is very similar to Uship. So if you haven't checked out my Uship video, I'm going to leave a link for that one. But like I said, a lot of people found this channel and found me from that video. I appreciate you hitting that subscribe button, hitting that like button, and dropping comments. It helps me get out to a wider audience. So please don't stop. Please don't stop, man. Leave a comment down below what you want to see, what type of videos you want me to make, and all that good stuff. So as I'm looking, I'm seeing a lot of cars. There's a sofa. Let's go back to the front, to the top. Subaru. Here's a custom farm table. Let's see if I can get some local searches. So as you see, this, you got state searches, you got local searches. I got even route search, so you can see what you're doing on your route. If you're going, a certain direction, you can figure out things that's going on that route. That's how detailed this website is. But let's look at something in my state. So, I'm in Georgia. And let's keep it in Georgia and search. All right. So with state to state, you do not need a MC or DOT number. I'm going to say that again. With state, when you stay in the state, staying in your own state, you do not need a DOT or MC number, specifically if it's under a certain weight. Now, there are certain weight, dimensions that do require a DOT certificate, especially if you're riding a box truck anyway. You're probably going to have a DOT number for that vehicle. I am not a box truck owner. I have a cargo van, and I got a cargo van for that specific reason. So we won't have to worry about those certain weight limits and having to get DOT and MC numbers, stick it to my truck. So for you box truck, if you know more about that, leave a comment below. Put me on game. I'm more of a cargo van guy myself. All right, so let's go. And we got here all of these places in Georgia. If I can find something that already has some bids on it. Rome to downtown. Toolbox on Castor. So let's see what this is about. This one has 6 bids. It's going to Rome down to Atlanta, 79 miles. That should take roughly about an hour and 15 minutes the way I drive. So they got one saying 900. Boy, you crazy. And one, look at that. So you can see the discrepancies in the quote amounts. They got $996 and $165. So this person is really, really lowballing. They have a 99 rating though. So they've been moving a lot of stuff. And they've been doing pretty good. So, you can even reach out to these guys and kind of partner, ask them, how do they work out? How was the process of getting paid and everything? So this guy just took a load last month. He was real busy in January. Round tables, nightstands, floors. So you can see everything here. I don't know if you can even see all the details. So yeah, this guy did one from North Georgia down to Mobile. And he got paid $575 to go 388 miles. He took a large, heavy weighted pallets of flooring. So he definitely had to have a van or a box truck for this. Not sure if, that's, slightly under $2 a mile, which is, I guess, is pretty good for a large vehicle. But you see the weight. So most cargo vans can only hold about 3,400 pounds. So you either have a heavy duty van or a box truck to move this stuff. So you see what's going on. You see all the quotes that came in for this. But this guy K-Mo was the one that won it. And K-Mo, you see his name right here. K-Mo, 98% feedback, completed 99 jobs. He's a one driver, one vehicle, getting to it. He is getting to it. So he's verified, cargo insurance covers, verified with cargo insurance. I don't think I had to even submit my insurance to get of these guys have pretty good ratings. So let's go ahead and look at some more individuals. with ratings. KMO's doing a pretty good job. Here's fast and easy delivery, like a husband and wife team, like a lovely couple. They got 4 vehicles, 4 drivers. They completed 300 jobs. So it is money to be made on this website. Plenty of money on this Shipley website. Let's go into the sign up process and make sure nothing changed. Like I said, when I signed up, it was over a year ago. I did not have to submit any insurance documentation or even vehicle registration information. But things change. Let's go ahead and sign up. All right, so first you put your name, phone number, email address in. Welcome. Now you're in. Just like that. Very simple. Haven't asked to put any information in yet. So I just put my name, phone number in. Now I'm going to put what state I want to operate in. Just select, you can select all the states. I'm just going to select a couple of here just for the video purposes. You can select all the stuff you want. So boom, I'm in. Search has been saved. All right. So now I am logged in. Now I can start seeing all the shipments in the area I selected. And let's see if we can make a bid. So here's one in Marietta. This guy has a trailer. He needs to move down to South Florida. So I have a flatbed. I'm going to put this on. And I'm going to bid. It's like somebody already bid $500. So I'm going to bid $490. No, I'm not going to bid $490 because I might actually win this and I have no idea of how I'm going to move this. So let's bid something astronomical, $800. And then the minimum. So a minimum reserve, if you guys are familiar with eBay, how they work, they will do a reserve. So like whatever the lowest point is that you're willing to take, you can set that. And then if somebody bids under this $800, then my minimum quote would kick in. So let's set my minimum to $775 and place the quote. Boop. Good work. Place my first quote. So you see, where am I? $775. Joe's Trans P. That's what I've named my company. Joe's Trans Pool. I got 0 rating because I haven't took anything. So that will affect your process of getting picked as well. Now, what you can do is, and what I did was I just had people, give me reviews on my services. Now, I didn't lie. It was people that I actually transported things for that gave me a review, but you can kind of send out something and start getting reviews for your company on here and start getting ratings to kind of boost your score up. And if you actually start placing quotes, it helps with your score as well. So that's the deal. So, you got the shipping, answer any questions, place quotes, and collect pay. So payment is done through the app, or you can, through the website. They have an escrow thing set up where it releases the funds before you ship, or you can kind of negotiate with the person to either have like a PayPal payment set up, or just send them an invoice to get half up front and half after things get delivered. So that is the Shipley model. You see how it works. If you need stuff shipped, go ahead and use them. But we're here to be bossing up and get paid. So we're going to become carriers and shippers and get to the bag. All right. Until next time. Later.